Welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be discussing the MCQs of international organization, and we will be starting from the part 9 of the international organization. So let's get started from the question number 201. The name of the first woman judge of the International Court of Justice is option A, Rosalind Higgins, option B, Rosa E. Ottobiowe, option C, Jested Mongelina, option D, Sadako Ogata. Here the correct answer is option A, Rosalind Higgins. Question number 202. Which one of the following states had proposed the creation of TRIOCA in place of the Secretary General of the United Nations? Options are USSR, USA, UK, China. Correct answer here is option A, that is USSR. Question number 203. Which one of the following organizations deals with the refugees? Here correct answer is option B, that is UNHCR. Question number 204. Which of the following organization is related to child welfare? Here correct answer is option B, that is UNICEF. UNICEF is related to child welfare. Question number 205. Where the UNESCO's headquarters is situated? UNESCO's headquarters is situated in Paris. The correct answer is option D. Question number 206. The headquarters of the World Intellectual Property Organization is located in. Here the options are Paris, Madrid, New York, Geneva. Correct answer is option D, that is Geneva. Question number 207. Which of the following countries is not the member of the SAARC? Singapore, India, Pakistan, Bhutan. Here the correct answer is option A, Singapore. Singapore is not the member of the SAARC. Question number 208. Who is the writer of the book entitled De Jure Belli et Pacis? Here the options are Oppenheim, Schellinger, Jenks, Grotius. Correct answer here is option D, that is Grotius. Question number 209. The following is not an organ of the United Nations organization. Options are the Secretariat, B, Trusteeship Council, option C, Economic and Social Council, and option D, International Labour Organization. In 209, correct answer is option D. ILO is not an organ of the United Nations. Question number 210. In India, Law Day is celebrated every year on. Here options are 5th April, 5th July, 26th November, 10th December. Correct answer is option C, that is 26th November. Law Day is celebrated every year in India. Question number 211. Which one of the following is the third generation human right? Right to work, right to education, right to freedom of religion, right to development. Here the correct answer is option D, that is right to development is the third generation of human rights. Question number 212. Of which of the following international judicial institution the seat is not at The Hague? Option A, International Criminal Court, option B, International Court of Justice, option C, Permanent Court of Arbitration, option D, International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea. Here the correct answer is option D, that is International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea. Question number 213. Which of the following is not a specialized agency of the United Nations? Option A, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, option B, Food and Agriculture Organization, option C, UN Human Rights Commission, and option D, International Labour Organization. Correct answer is option C. UN Human Rights Commission is not a specialized agency of the United Nations. Question number 214. Manila Declaration 2012 is related to human rights, marine coast protection, air pollution control, economic issues. Correct answer is option B, that is marine coast protection. Question number 215. Which of the following combinations are not correctly matched? Options are Tribunal Court and number of judges. Permanent Court of Arbitration 7, International Criminal Court 15, International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea 21, UN War Crimes Tribunal for Yugoslavia 15. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Here in this question it has been asked which of the following are the not correctly matched. So by going through the option D is the correct answer, that is 1, 2 and 4 are not correctly matched, whereas option 3, that is the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea 21 judges are the correct match, are the correct answer, but the question has been asked which of the following are the not correct match. By going through that, option D will be the right answer. 1, 2 and 4 are not the correct matched. Question number 216. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Again in this question it has been asked which of the following is not correctly matched. Options are Declaration of Atlantic Charter 1941, Moscow Declaration 1943, Dumbarton Oaks Conference 1944, Kilbock-Bride Pact 1938. Here in this question option D is the correct answer. It is not correctly matched, whereas all the other three are the correct matches. So answer will be option D. Question number 217. Which one of the following is the correct statement? The customary international law of treaties was codified in the Vienna Convention 1980, Statute of International Court of Justice, Resolution of the UN General Assembly, Vienna Declaration 1993. Here the correct answer is option A, that is Vienna Convention 1980. Question number 280. International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights was adopted by the General Assembly on January 3, 1966, October 30, 1966, November 5, 1966, December 16, 1966. Correct answer is option D, that is December 16, 1966. Question number 219. Indicate the sequence in which the following were established: International Labour Organization, International War Crimes Tribunal for former Yugoslavia, Nuremberg Military Tribunal, and International Court of Justice. Here in question number 219, correct answer is option B, that is 1, 3, 4 and 2. That means International Labour Organization was the first that has established, then Nuremberg Military Tribunal comes into the second place, and then after International Court of Justice comes into the third place, and where the International War Crimes and Tribunal for former Yugoslavia comes into the last place. Question number 220. The Permanent Court of Arbitration was established in pursuance of the following: Hague Conference of 1899 and 1907, B. Covenant of the League of Nations, C. UN Charter, and option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is Hague Conference of 1899 and 1907. Question number 221. Core crimes listed in the Statute of International Criminal Court are 20, 10, 4, 8. Here the correct answer is, in question number 221, C, 4. Question number 222. Copenhagen Accord on Climate Change is a binding treaty, not a binding treaty, a declaration of the General Assembly, an optional protocol. Correct answer is option B, that is not a binding treaty. Question number 223. Total number of the members in the European Union is 27, 28, 35, 30. Correct answer is option B, that is 28. Question number 224. The headquarters of the Universal Postal Union is situated in. Options are Geneva, New York, Rome, Bern. Here in question number 224, correct answer is options D, Bern. Question number 225. In which city United Nations Human Rights Council is based? Option are Paris, London, Geneva, New York. Correct answer is option C, that is Geneva. This is the 9th video series in this International Organization MCQ series, and there will be many other videos of the International MCQ series. Before that, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching.